Hi, I'm Anthony DeFranco. I'm going to apologize in advance if I get a little too blunt here in this video. See, the internet is full of scams. All of the get rich quick, make money online, work from home in your underwear, make a fortune at the coffee shop, those one-click, mega, massive, magic, secret, hidden code, drunken guru videos you've been watching. It's all false. It's fiction. It's all lies. It's crap. It's BS. But then again, you probably figured that out for yourself. The cheesy actors driving the rented Ferraris, walking around the rented mansions, flying around in rented jets, floating around on rented yachts with the other rented actors, feeding us a bunch of bogus lines. I mean, come on. No one's going to hand you some magic program that's going to make you a millionaire overnight. Like I said, you've probably already figured that out on your own. Maybe you found out about it the hard way. Look, I've been a successful trader and investor for more than 20 years. And when I say successful, I mean I've made millions in profits in virtually every market I've ever been involved in. Stocks, forex, commodities, currencies, yeah, I've made fortunes in all of them. I did it working my ass off. I did it by researching, studying, dissecting, following, testing. Sometimes I just rolled a dice and yeah, sometimes I failed big time along the way. I put in a lot of hours, I drank a lot of coffee, and had more than my fair share of sleepless nights. Listen, I worked my butt off to become one of the wealthiest traders in the game. Success didn't come easy or quick for me. That's why I'm so excited to be able to share this with you today. And if you don't have any experience in the markets, or maybe you don't know the first thing about trading or commodities or options or any of that, it doesn't matter one bit. With what you're going to learn about today, you don't need any experience or even any education to take advantage of the very real edge you're going to get here today. Listen, making huge profits and trading like a seasoned professional trader is about to get very easy and fast for you. And you're going to get the tools you'll need to do that by the end of this video for free. And no, I'm not going to try and feed you some line like, I just want to help people, or I want to give back, or some other nonsense that they're doing it out of the kindness of their hearts. What BS. Listen, I'm going to give you this program because you are going to make a lot of money for yourself and for me. I might be an okay guy, but I'm not Mother Teresa. You are going to make both of us a lot of money. And other than a small initial deposit you'll have to put up to start the trading, it's not going to cost you a single penny. Stick with this video for just a couple of minutes and I'll give you all the details. Seriously, by the end of this video, you're going to have everything you need to start bringing in a lot of money, and you're going to get it all for free. Turn the volume up, Facebook off, ignore the hashtags for the next few minutes. This is important, and it has the potential to completely change your life. Look, maybe it's not the phony mansions and jets and wild parties they're trying to sell you in those other videos, but the money you're about to be able to make is going to make you and your family very, very comfortable for a long, long time. Millionaire next week? No, not a chance. Quit your job next month? Yeah, that is a very real possibility. So, stick around. You and I are about to get to know each other and make each other a lot of money. Like I said in the beginning, I'm Anthony DeFranco. One thing I've learned in trading and business is that money loves speed. When you're fast at something, you get rewarded. And if you're really fast, your bank account gets enormous. Now, I know, being fast at everything is not always good. If you're a fast eater, you're going to turn into a fat eater. So don't wolf down your meals. Slow down. Enjoy your food. And if you're a fast lover, well, eventually you're going to be a lonely lover. Dude, if you're all about the wham bam thank you ma'am, slow down, cool off, take your time there, and you won't be spending Saturday nights with nothing but the remote in your hands. No, I'm not selling diet or dating stuff here. In fact, I'm not selling anything here. But when it comes to trading, to making money, fast decisions and fast actions can make you very wealthy. Especially if you're making the correct decisions, which we're doing 97% of the time. I'll tell you more about that in a minute, but yeah, we're profitable on 97% of our trades. That alone is going to make you a fortune. Let me get back to how money loves speed and how you're about to profit from it. For the first several years I was trading, the research was agonizing. There's a reason I was spending 18 to 20 hours a day at the computer. I mean, there are literally millions of variables that can affect the price of a traded asset. The economy, world events, politics at home and abroad, the weather, the current supplies, the current demands, the new technology, past performance, seasonal adjustments, the trends, the trader sentiments, expert predictions, chart formations, millions, perhaps billions of bits of crucial information all converge at exactly the right moment. And if the trader makes the correct trade at the correct price at the correct time, they stand a slight chance of making any money. And I do mean slight. The experts say that only about 5% of traders ever make any money, and some put the figure at just 1%. Believe me, it takes a hell of a lot of work to do it right, and chances are the 99% that lose money every day aren't willing to put in the time or the effort it takes to be a successful trader. Binary options began trading a couple of years ago. It's a new type of market that trades options on stocks, currencies, commodities, metals, and indices. Now, on the surface, binary trades look fairly simple. The price is going to go up, or it's going to go down. You buy a call option if you think the price will rise, and a put option if you think it's going to take a dip. You can never lose more than your initial investment, which could be as little as $5, and you always know how much you're going to profit if you're right, which is somewhere between 70 and 85% of your trade. All the trader needs to do is figure out which way the price will go at the end of the specified time period. The time period could be 2 weeks out, or even as little as 60 seconds. Yeah, you could trade a $100 binary option at, say, 10 a.m. and have it turn into $185 at 10:01 a.m. $85 in just 1 minute. That is damn good money. And it's quick. Like I said, sounds simple, right? Easy money, right? Fast money, right? Well, if it's so simple and easy and fast, why are 99% of the binary traders losing money? Because they fall into the same bad habits as they do in the other markets. They don't do their homework, and they don't know how to manage their money. And when you can make a trade in as little as 60 seconds, not only can you make a profit in less than a minute, you can lose your money just that fast too. And if you don't know what you're doing and haven't done the research it takes to be successful, that means you can lose it all and go broke just that much quicker. So, I asked myself, how can I take advantage of binary trades? How can I capitalize on the speed and the simplicity without getting sucked down the same circling drain other traders fall into? How can I do the research, make the trades, and make the profits in as little as a minute? And how could I automate the entire process? So, what's the answer? Real Profits. I worked for months with some of the top minds in the industry, and we've created what I know to be the most profitable trading software anywhere. The entire process is totally automated, completely autopilot. In seconds, Real Profits scans and analyzes millions of bytes of data from around the world. Virtually every possible variable that affects prices is dissected instantly. Then Real Profits recommends only the trades with the highest probability of a successful outcome. How good are the recommendations? In the few months we've been using it, we've made a profit on 97% of our trades. A 97% success rate. Now, it doesn't take a math genius to figure out that if you're making between 70 and 85% on every trade, and you're winning 97% of all your trades, the money is going to come in quick, and it's going to come in huge. I want to show you how Real Profits works. I want you to see how easy this is. Here's a trade involving the euro-US dollar on June 7th. Sure, there are all kinds of political and economic and financial factors that can affect the price, but we don't care about any of that with this program helping us out. The same program you'll be able to get at the end of this video. This green up arrow means that I bought a call option. I thought it was going to go up by the expiration time, which was 1700 or 5 p.m. Here's the price when I bought it, 1.32148. Here's the time I bought it, 1643, 4:43 in the afternoon. Yeah, just 17 minutes before the expiration. So I invested $250 that the price would go up. By 5 p.m. it had gone up to 1.32216. And my $250 turned into $462.50. I made $212.50 in 17 minutes. It took me longer to explain it to you than it took me to make that trade. Look at the rest of these currency trades on June 10th. Later in the day, I entered a put trade on the euro dollar that was right. That one made $425 in 18 minutes. Here's a put trade on euros versus Japanese yen. This one made me $228 in about an hour and 15 minutes. Another put on dollars versus Singapore dollars. That one brought in $1,095 in a couple of hours, and it went on and on with profitable trades. That was a pretty good day. And I didn't do a bunch of research or study charts or anything technical. In fact, I didn't do anything to make those profits that day. Real Profits did all of the research, and it made each of those trades for me as well. That is what puts Real Profits in an entirely new level that those other wannabe trading programs could only dream about. No decisions to make, no hours of research, no trying to get the timing right, no guessing about what to trade and when to trade it. Real Profits does everything. Another feature that's making users a fortune is this. Most people want to start out with small trades and take it easy. Maybe they're starting with just $250 and they want to be very careful. I get that. And that's why when you use the auto trade feature, you can program Real Profits to automatically reinvest some of your profits and gradually increase the size of each of your trades as your trading account builds up. You can set the parameters to be conservative, to be careful with your profits, or you can set it to be aggressive, to go for it. And then hang on. You're going to watch the profits in your trading account build and grow and explode into huge numbers. And that can happen in a matter of days or even in just a few hours. Do you realize what money like that does for your life? I'm not just talking about paying off all your debts. That will happen within weeks. And I'm not just talking about quitting your job. That could happen within a matter of days. And I'm not just talking about the things you can buy. And you will be able to purchase a lot of nice things. Or the type of home you decide to live in. Your houses will get very nice and probably very large. And I'm not simply talking about the places you'll soon be traveling to. Vacations around the world for you and your family will happen all the time. What I am talking to you about is the freedom money like this brings into your life. The options you'll have. The possibilities that present themselves. The choices in front of you. When you've got a solid, dependable income like this coming in on a regular basis, it's like a whole new world opens up for you. A brand new life. Freedom. It feels great. You're really going to enjoy it. That is what Real Profits is about to do for you. It does everything to bring the profits into your trading account. Profits you could begin to withdraw to your bank account just hours from now. It researches news and data and prices and trends all over the world. It does it day and night, and it does in seconds what used to take weeks, if you could do it at all. Real Profits is about to propel you into the successful 1% category. Even if you've never traded or invested anything before, just as soon as you enter your information and click the button on this page, you'll be minutes away from seeing it in action, and from watching the profits begin to build up in your trading account. That, my friend, is money you could withdraw and start spending in a matter of hours. And it all gets started when you click the button on this page. I mentioned earlier that you'll be getting Real Profits today for free. And no, this isn't one of those sleazy, fine print, pay me later, sign your life away deals the sleazebags try to pull on you. You'll have to open a new trading account and deposit at least $250 to get trades started. But it's your money. There are no hidden fees, no surprises. You could close the account and get your money back anytime you want to. If you think I've BS'd you, fine, take your money and good luck to you. It's that simple. But when you open your account and make the deposit, then start to watch the trades take place and the profits coming into your account. I doubt you'll want to go anywhere. I don't know what you're doing for a living now and have no idea how much money you're used to making. I'm fairly certain, though, that you've never brought in money like this. And what's in it for me? Why am I doing this? Money. I am going to get a very small percentage of your winning profits. If you don't win, I won't make any money. It's that simple. You win, I win. And it's money you'll never even miss, too. The broker is going to pay me out of the profit, and you'll never even notice the payments coming out. Believe me, you'll have plenty of profits in no time at all. It all starts when you enter your information and click the button on this page. You'll be redirected to a page where you'll open your new trading account, which will take just a couple of minutes. You'll make a small $250 deposit in the account to get the ball rolling. Then the broker will contact us to let us know that you're ready to go. We'll send you the link for your new Real Profits software, You'll set a couple of things up with a couple of mouse clicks, then pour yourself something cold and sit back and watch. No experience, no research, no complicated charts, no convoluted software. Real Profits is going to go to work, and you are going to make the money. A lot of money. Click the button on this page right now. You've got nothing to lose. This isn't going to cost you a single penny. Seriously, there is absolutely no reason not to do this. Go ahead, do it right now. Click the button on this page and get started right now.